Hi everyone, I am Karan and welcome to Karan's Gyan. The stock on focus for today is Punjab National Bank, and the headlines is that there are more troubles brewing for Punjab National Bank. The news is that Punjab National Bank's asset quality is set to go from bad to worse after it will swallow both Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India's bad loans. So, before delving into the news, I would give you the key takeaways. I'll give you a background also. On Friday, this bank fell by about 5.5%. Punjab National Bank fell 5.5% because it declared a news that Diwan Housing Finance is now a fraudulent account. So basically, Diwan Housing Finance's account changed from NPA to a fraudulent account, and because of the guidelines laid out by SEBI and RBI, it had to make 100% provisions on Diwan Housing Finance's 3,688 crore account, already taking toll on its profit and loss sheet. However, this is not the biggest problem Punjab National Bank would face, and this fall of 5.5% may be magnified in the future trading sessions. Just so that you know, Punjab National Bank has merged with two other banks, Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India. And this can be a big unknown for investors. This merger can have an extreme impact on Punjab National Bank's quality and capital base. Now, we'll try to understand how will Punjab National Bank be affected by this merger. So this merger actually took place on April 1st. So in April 1st, all the three banks, Punjab National Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce, and United Bank of India, three of them merged together. And thus, quarter 4 result of Punjab National Bank may not reflect its asset quality accurately. So, in quarter 1, we get a result. We'll try to understand how big is the toll of the merger of all these three banks. So, since Union Bank of India and OBC Bank were basically suspended from trading, they didn't declare their quarter 4 results technically publicly, and we only have rumors about it. And this is a rumor. I won't say this is a rumor, since Business Standard is a good newspaper, it's a good publication. This is what Business Standard said. So on 25th July, business sorry 25th June, Business Standard gave an article. It said Union Bank of India, United Bank of India had posted a net loss of about 6,700 crores in the quarter ending March 2020, and Oriental Bank of Commerce lodged a loss of 2,700 crores. And the executive that said it, he requested anonymity, so this information is actually not public. And Business Standard has given us an insight into the loss sheet of United Bank of India and Oriental Bank of Commerce. So about 2,700 crore loss for Oriental Bank of Commerce and 6,700 crore loss to United Bank. So both these banks also have a poor asset quality. OBC was under prompt corrective action for 15 months before coming out in February last year. That means in 2019. Even United Bank of India has been under PCA or prompt corrective action. Just so that you know what is prompt corrective action. Prompt corrective action is a framework by RBI in which banks with weak financial metrics are put under a watch list, and RBI is basically looking at each and every move or each and every loan or each and every action the bank is taking. Now, what are the weak financial metrics? How do you define weak financial metrics? So there are basically three parameters. Number one, capital ratios. Number two, asset quality. And number three, profitability. Now, it seems that OBC and United Bank, they didn't satisfy all three criteria. They didn't satisfy enough capital ratio, they didn't have a good asset quality, and of course they didn't have good profitability at all. Moreover, OBCs and United Banks capital ratios are extremely poor, and basically the intent of the merger was so that PNB plays a godfather, a big brother to the other two banks, and basically help them improve their balance sheet and basically fill some gaps that OBC and United Bank couldn't fill on their own. Now we look at gross NPAs and net NPAs. You can see net NPAs of Punjab National Bank is about 27,000 crore and gross NPAs 73,000 crore. This Punjab National Bank's asset quality is already poor. It has 14.2% gross NPA and 5.78% net NPA. So this is for quarter 4 financial year 2020, that means March 2020. However, these two datas of OBC and United Bank are of quarter 3, that means December 2019, because quarter 4 result is not made public as they have been suspended for trading in the stock exchange. But based on their quarter 3 results, we can see OBC Bank has Oriental Bank of Commerce has about 21,000 crore as gross NPA. Are you looking at this figure? Are you seeing how big is this figure? Even net NPA standard 9,000 crores, almost one third of Punjab National Bank's and gross NPAs are poor, net NPAs are also poor. Look at a private bank, look at the gross NPAs and look at the net NPAs and compare a PSU bank with the private bank. United Bank is much more worse. It has a gross NPA of 15.5%, net NPA of 8.5%. Gross NPA is basically 11,500 crores and net NPA is basically 5,851 crores. So now seeing these figures, do you understand how Punjab National Bank would swallow poor asset quality of both the banks that has merged with, and how horrible can quarter 1 figures be? So guys, do a little more research about Punjab National Bank and try to figure out how quarter 1 results can be, how quarter 1 results can affect the share price of Punjab National Bank, and how can Punjab National Bank, what steps Punjab National Bank is taking to try to improve its asset quality. It can give you a better idea to whether invest in Punjab National Bank or not. But my opinion is stay away from Punjab National Bank. It is not a good bank as of now, looking at its figures. Stick to private banks, they'll perform better in the long run. So guys, this is my take and I hope you like the video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.